Brio Self-Cleaning Bottleless Water Cooler. Brio Self-Cleaning Bottleless Water Cooler Review. Best Self-Cleaning Bottleless Water Dispenser. Indulge in Brio and experience water filtered to provide the purest hydration. The Brio Self-Cleaning Bottleless Water Cooler uses pre-carbon and sediment filters to work in 2 decisive stages. A sediment filter removes the common contaminants, such as dust and rust. In the second stage, the carbon block filter purifies and dramatically improves the taste and removes all the offensive odors. Crisp cold, room temperature, or piping hot, the Brio is perfect for ice-cold lemonade, a refreshing drink after a workout, or a hand-warming cup of cocoa or coffee on a chilly winter morning. Brio makes nighttime trips to the kitchen a breeze with a built-in bright light that illuminates the entire dispensing area. Spend less time lugging cases of water from the car to the pantry and reduce waste and the time spent recycling. The Brio uses LED UV light. It is self-cleaning and automatic, giving you peace of mind to ensure every cup of water is filtered, fresh, and healthy. Made using a combination of black matte painted and classic brushed stainless steel, the best self-cleaning bottleless water dispenser by Brio measures 44.7 by 16.6 by 14.7 inches and weighs just shy of 50 pounds. Warranty: 1 year from the date with proof of purchase. Pros: beautiful stainless steel design, tap water bypass button, produces high quality water. Cons: cold or room temperature share the same reservoir, requires a dedicated water connection and power outlet. Cooling unit freezes over occasionally.